Recovering properly after a tough workout is essential for muscle repair, reducing soreness, and optimizing overall fitness progress. Here are effective strategies to maximize your recovery after intense exercise. 1. Cool down and stretching after intense exercise. It's important to cool down with gentle movement, like walking, and follow it up with static stretching. Stretching helps reduce muscle tightness, improve flexibility, and promote blood flow to fatigued muscles, which aids recovery. 2. Stay hydrated. Intense exercise causes you to lose fluids through sweat, so rehydrating is essential. Drinking water or electrolyte-rich beverages helps replenish lost fluids and maintain electrolyte balance, which prevents cramps, fatigue, and muscle stiffness. 3. Prioritize protein and nutrient intake after a workout. Your muscles need protein for repair and recovery. Aim to consume a protein-rich snack or meal within an hour of exercising to provide essential amino acids. Additionally, include carbohydrates to replenish glycogen stores and maintain energy levels. 4. Get adequate rest and quality sleep. Sleep is crucial for muscle recovery, as growth hormones that aid in tissue repair are released during sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep to help your body recover and prepare for your next workout. Taking rest days between intense exercise sessions also gives muscles time to repair. 5. Use ice or heat therapy for sore muscles. Using ice or a cold compress can help reduce inflammation, while heat therapy can relax tight muscles and improve blood flow. Alternating between hot and cold therapy is also effective for relieving muscle soreness. 6. Try foam rolling or massage. Foam rolling and massage are forms of self-myofascial release, which target muscle knots and tightness. This helps break down scar tissue, improves flexibility, and boosts circulation to muscles, accelerating recovery. 7. Engage in active recovery. Active recovery includes low-intensity activities like walking, cycling, or swimming, which promote blood circulation without stressing the muscles too much. This gentle movement helps flush out lactic acid and reduce muscle stiffness. 8. Focus on anti-inflammatory foods, including foods rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, like berries, leafy greens, nuts, and fatty fish, can reduce muscle inflammation and promote recovery. These nutrients support your immune system and help muscles recover faster. 9. Practice mindful relaxation techniques. Intense exercise can put your body in a heightened state, so practicing mindfulness or meditation helps reduce stress and promotes relaxation. This improves mental recovery and prepares your body for future workouts.